Well, my friends, all of you know that the colon cancer or rectal cancer, it is a common problem in old age, after 50s. Initially, there may not be any symptom for the carcinoma of the rectum, only discomfortness of the lower abdomen and irregular bowel habit. At first, it begins with a polyp. It looks like a polyp, sometimes bleeds or not bleeds. Up to this stage, it is benign. When it becomes malignant, there is irregularity of the stool and passing of fresh blood with the stool in every time. This gentleman has been suffering from carcinoma of the rectum. This case taking was done by my juniors, and I have collected the symptomatology from the case taking. Appetite increased, aversion to meat, desire sweets, desire warm food, stool bloody, subject old. So when the patient came in the first day, there was profuse rectal hemorrhage. So my treatment was to the patient, considering the symptom totality. What I have observed, it was known to me, appetite increased is a strong symptom of lycopodium, like other medicines, phosphorus, iodine, graphitis, etc. See Kane's repertory, chapter stomach, appetite increased, there is lycopodium. Aversion to meat, if you go through the Kane's repertory, aversion, meat, there is lycopodium. Desire for sweets, misty valvas, desire for sweets and desire for warm food, all of you know that this is absolutely 100% present in lycopodium. And the subject is old. I have also considered the rubric subject old. It is found, it is available in the chapter genetics, old. There are two sub-rubrics, old premature and old people. So considering the old people, lycopodium is one of the important medicines like opium, Baratecat, etc. So I had prescribed lycopodium 0/1, 0/2 and 0/4 on dose in every morning, and the patient relieved a lot. Now the totally blood has stopped and patient is feeling well-being. Though it is a carcinoma case, the patient is feeling well-being. So this is the first sign, the first indication of stoppage of hemorrhage from the rectum. Today, my prescription is lycopodium 0/6 and 0/8, one dose in the morning in every alternate day for 2 months. So this video I have taken for you to teach, to learn that we should treat the patient, not the disease. Once again, I have shown you no question of carcinoma or hemorrhage of the rectum. My ultimate motto is to treat the patient by the symptom totality, and so that's why I have prescribed lycopodium on the considering the general symptoms: aversion to meat, appetite increased, desire sweets, desire warm food, and subject old. All are physical generals. So case to case the symptoms vary. In this case, there is no mental symptoms, but all the physical symptoms are important, and all the physical symptoms go in favor of lycopodium. So please remember, we should treat the patient, not the disease. This is a burning example to you, where I have shown you the efficacy of homeopathy on considering the totality and totality only.